Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use a for loop to print a little children's song, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. Okay, so we're going to start with obviously telling it the number of monkeys. Monkeys, okay, is 5. And we're going to run a loop. So 4. So we've got 4i in range, so 1 to the number of monkeys. Then we're going to type in our song. I'm going to print. Okay, number of monkeys minus I, little monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, so we're starting at the top of the range. So we're starting at 5 little monkeys, 4 little monkeys, and so on. Okay, so let's just see what that looks like. So run module. Okay, so what have we got? We've got 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 jumped up and banged his head, so we've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're missing 5. Okay, so let's bring this up because we started at 0. Bring that up to 6. Let's run that again. And there's our song. 5 little monkeys jumping in the bed. 1 jumped up and banged his head. Mammy called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping in the bed, and so on, down to 1. Okay, so we have 4. I is in the range between 1 to number of monkeys. Okay, and number of monkeys is holding 6. Okay, so we're starting at 1 and we're going up to 6 elements in our sequence. So 1 to 2 to 3 to 5. We're ignoring our 0.